Good night to you guys, but good morning to me because I just woke up from my night shift. I am going to work tonight and then I am coming home, I'm showering, and I'm going straight to the airport to leave for Puerto Rico. So I was going to start the vlog tonight when I knew that I wasn't that busy and because tomorrow morning I'm going to be rushing. So yeah, I am so excited to go to Puerto Rico. There is just 12 hours in front of me that I have to deal with, and then I will be leaving and I will be on a beach. So I am so excited, and I will see y'all in your morning, my night. Hola from Puerto Rico. Can you show what we're going through right now?
We're gonna have to blur out their license plate, but
It's fine.
let's see if I can't see. So this is what's happening right now. We're about to fit through this little tiny thing.
I feel a little
we forgot
nervous.
that people don't know how to drive here.
No, there's a lack of. I swear to God, I'm gonna hit something.
You're not. You're good. You got like 6 inches on that side, and we. Okay, you're clear. Go.
That was a good catch.
That was a really good catch.
Thank you.
All right. Well,
Wait, am I supposed to turn here? Yeah.
this concludes our
Our
intro to.
You're such a jerk. I don't even know the code.
That was good, wasn't it? Welcome to our Airbnb. I am your host, Scott.
Also, we never introduced Nicole. This is our new friend Nicole. Everybody.
Nicole.
This is. But this is our space. We come in this way. Skylar's gonna lead the rest of the entire tour here.
Right,
Because she's so excited.
There's a couch.
It's so nice.
We have a kitchen. We don't have to talk to the whole.
Oh yeah.
Okay, kitchen. El baño. I learned that one today. This is the master suite.
Mm.
Oh, let's see it. We can go outside.
Oh,
Oh, that door is super broken.
oh. Well,
It's cool. The parking lot. Great view of the parking lot.
yeah, wonderful view of the parking lot.
Wonderful view. There's a cool bathroom. Has a double vanity. It's pretty luxurious. Ooh, 2 closets.
Ooh.
What? Dude, we're ready. Alright.
Oh, it's got a fan in here too.
Thank God. Now I can sleep.
Look at this. This is nice. Look at all of the things.
I'm so crazy.
This is like so nice. All right, you want to lead the rest of the tour?
Okay, if you come
Let's-
this way.
Great.
She's already natural.
I
And
think
if you
it.
went down there,
Yeah.
El Dormitorio número dos.
Yeah. This is great. Alrighty, I think that concludes the tour. Good morning from the gorgeous sunrise in Puerto Rico. I figured I was going to wake up because my sleep schedule's all messed up. It is 6:30 and I'm catching seriously the most beautiful sunrise ever, and you can hear the waves. The ocean looks absolutely gorgeous. The girls are obviously still sleeping. Skylar said I couldn't wake her up until 7:30, so that is why I'm here alone, but we're going to have the best time here. The weather feels great. I am wearing a sweatshirt, but it seriously is like 71 degrees. So I am going to watch this gorgeous sunrise, and we're probably going to spend the rest of the day at the beach. So please enjoy all of this vlog content because it is going to be amazing. I am so happy to be in Puerto Rico. Gorgeous beach day in Puerto Rico.
We just made it down to Surfers Beach. We stopped at a surf shop beforehand, and now we're enjoying the weather here.
Yes, it's so gorgeous. Skylar and I bought towels because we forgot to bring towels, and then I bought a t-shirt, and I think, did Skylar buy a t-shirt? No. We almost all bought t-shirts, but this beach is so gorgeous. We're gonna go here, maybe go to a different beach after, we'll see, but right now we're just, like she said, going to be enjoying this gorgeous, gorgeous beach day. Crash Boat Beach.
We just got tacos.
And then we went swimming, obviously, and it was amazing.
And now we're getting pina coladas. And fun fact, that's the national drink of Puerto Rico.
Yes, so we are super, super excited. It is a little cloudy here, but it was sunny earlier. We probably need some time out of the sun anyways, so.
Definitely.
We'll keep you updated. Cheers. We just stopped at a cute little coffee shop. Good catch. Look at how cute that is. I got a chai tea latte, and Skylar got coffee.
An actual latte.
And then, and then Nicole
got a pina colada smoothie.
Heck yeah!
Oh, it's so freaking good.
Guess what we are doing today? Well, you can't answer us.
You can't answer because of the vlog. We, all three of us, we are going surfing.
Finally!
We are finally taking surf lessons. It's something we've all wanted to do.
Yes.
Crossing off the bucket list.
Yes. So hopefully we don't die. That's that.
It's we're doing a little Airbnb experience, and
They haven't messaged us back yet.
yeah, we're having some problems with communication, but we're still gonna drive there, and hopefully we'll get there and everything will be fine. So cue the wipeouts. Most important part of the day. Hello, we got back from surfing and it was absolutely amazing. I think we all actually got up one time, like somewhat. We tried.
Yes, it was so much fun.
Yeah, and we're all fried. Like I'm seriously red and everything, so yeah, it was great. And now we are
At Las Cuevas.
Yes, I can't pronounce it. So we're doing some cave hiking and then we're gonna go to a waterfall, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous like jungly area here, so. The hike was about 30 seconds, and I was leading the pack and a snake literally jumped down in front of me. Like, needless to say, we're done. I am out of breath. I'm terrified. It was like a dark black snake. I literally screamed. Probably some F words. I don't remember. But yeah, we're gonna venture onto something else. So we're done here. So many turtles. Finished 2 waterfall hikes. They were so gorgeous, but the water was freaking cold. But there's a nice little like jungle path here. We did actually see another snake. It was in the water. So we kept saying that, what are the odds we'll see another snake on a hike? And we did in fact see a snake in the water that we were swimming in. But it was gorgeous here. It is lush and green. And this was a perfect last full day in Puerto Rico. We're just enjoying kind of the last bit of this hike to get back to the car and then go back home. So yeah, it is gorgeous, like I said already like 10 times, and that's a wrap. Current situation is figuring out how to get this dog. Look at him!
Hey,
stop.
kids fly free. He's my kid.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you might see the dog in the next vlog in the US. Good morning. We are one person less, unfortunately.
Yep, we just dropped Skylar off at the airport. We kind of cut it close, but I think she made it.
Yeah, it was really close. But now we are at Cueva del. I'm just gonna spell it on the screen because I can't pronounce it. But we are going to spend some time here for a couple hours, and then I have to go to the airport, and she gets to stay here for the rest of the week. I'm a little jealous, but we're gonna go enjoy the sun and the water, and that is a wrap. Traffic jam. Hi friends. What are you guys doing? So we are at our location, and we were alone for like probably like 2 minutes. We saw a guy on the path, and he like moved his stuff away from us, and
barely a speedo.
Like I'm talking like thong. It was a thong speedo, 100%. We saw his ass, and yeah. Now we
moved his stuff farther from us.
Mm-hmm. Why is that?
Because he ended up taking off his bathing suit.
Yeah, so we're just chilling here with, you know, a lizard that just went by my feet and a naked man. So, which actually Skylar yesterday
had the same experience.
Literally saw a guy completely nude on the beach. So I don't know what they do in Puerto Rico, but apparently, you know, update on the Speedo man. he walked by us.
Really close.
Completely nude. I saw everything.
I couldn't look.
Yeah. So now we're alone at this beach. Who knows if Speedo naked man will show back up? We don't know. He said something to us in Spanish. Did you know what it was?
I just blacked him out.
Oh, that was good. Yeah, that was that's it, honestly. It just started literally downpouring out of nowhere. We saw a couple gray clouds in the sky, but it literally is raining and we are like hiding under some trees. So yeah, it was great, and literally so far has been here so well.
Yeah, so we just climbed over all the rocky terrain above the caverns over there, and on the cliffs saw all the waves crashing all over surrounding us, and so beautiful.
It was
so beautiful.
Seriously amazing, and we did have a celeb entrance.
A stalker, you may say.
Yeah, our naked beach boy came back and just was chilling and just blocking like the part
Every
to get
exit,
down.
yeah.
So we got to spend some more time up there, which was, you know, a blessing, I guess. But yeah, we only have a little bit more time here, and then there is like kind of like a hike back. So yeah, we only have a couple more minutes. The sun is now coming out, but it's still like kind of raining, so it's a little strange. But I think, what did you say this place was?
With the exception of our friend, it's like my favorite place on earth.
Yeah, so it was worth it. We love being here. Hello, I am coming to you from the colder states where there's no palm trees or gorgeous turquoise waters, but I am so glad that I got to spend time in Puerto Rico. I seriously had the best time, from surfing to hiking waterfalls to having snake fall on my feet. But I'm so glad, like I said, to have experienced it with Skylar and Nicole. It was amazing. We seriously had the best time, and we really enjoyed the Puerto Rican sun. If you couldn't tell, I am so sunburnt. I have aloe all over my face right now. My burn is so bad that I am literally sick now. So I'm taking tons of meds, I'm staying hydrated, and I'm hoping that my skin doesn't peel, but we will hope for the best. I do work tomorrow night, so I'm hoping that some of the pain with the sunburn goes away before I have to be on shift. But besides the point, I am so glad you made it this far into this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a good day, and I will see you next week.